Hey, it's Mike. I went out and I bought a dehumidifier for the garage. It's not heated in here, but it's insulated somewhat, and it keeps it cooler in summer and it keeps it a little bit warmer in winter. But I do get some moisture in here, so I bought this dehumidifier. Let's crack it open and check it out. Here we go. I got this from Amazon. It's supposed to be for garage and basement. So we'll have to see what this thing is. Okay, we got it up on the bench. And we'll start opening this thing up. Had it out here for a few weeks. And now I'm finally getting around to opening it. Gonna have to slide this thing out. Drain hose. Alright. This thing is supposed to be able to be controlled right from a smartphone. So I thought I could be out in the house, kind of control it to the setting I want, shut it off when I want. That was kind of the beauty of it. Here's the book. All right. Get the cord off here. Open it up. Check out the drawer for the water. That's pretty tiny. Interesting. Let me check it out here. Okay, what I did is I put it down here, kind of under the window next to my bench. This is a nice little spot, shouldn't get too dusty. And I plugged it in up here, and it shows the different modes here. And there's a child lock, a timer, humidity, speed, mode. And over here, I couldn't find it for a while, is the on-off. And then there's an app called Home Life. And you go to Home Life and you sign into it, and then you search for this in the app. And this is running through Wi-Fi. And it can run through Bluetooth. And that's pretty much it. I mean, it's kind of cool. It's pretty basic. I'm not at this time going to change it to a hose. I'm going to just use the drawer on the back side of this for water. And if it fills up a lot, then I'll come up with a new plan. But for the most part, I'll turn it on. It reads the current humidity. I have it on dehumidify, and I have it on a low speed. And I think that should be good for now. Here's a timer. I can have it shut off like in 2 hours or whatever. But it's not that humid right now where I live, so I'm gonna shut it off and we'll go from there. I wish I could show you the app, but the app is on the phone I'm using to film this. But yeah, I mean, you can be in the house, turn it on, off, change all the settings. pretty sweet. So, okay, you guys, I just thought I'd show you that. Like and subscribe. Check this out on Amazon. I can put a link in the description. Other than that, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day.